Hello, good morning everyone. It's 10 a.m. in Adelaide right now, and I'm heading to a Yugadi celebration which is organized by Adelaide Kannada Yuva Sangha group, which is based here in Adelaide. And we've spent the entire night yesterday preparing food for all the people that are about to attend. We are expecting about 200 guests, and at the end of the video I'll also attach all the prep work that we went through, and I'll just show you briefly throughout my journey. Stay with me. See you. So we did not get any parking permission because we are doing it in a big house with a big backyard. So we have parked it a little away from the house, and we will be walking towards the house.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯುಗಾದಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡಲೈಡ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಯುವ ಸಂಘದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡಿಗರಿಗೂ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಭಾರತೀಯರಿಗೂ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಯುಗಾದಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರು ತುಂಬ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್, all girls and guys, I mean. So it's really nice how we've come up together and executed everything, and we will have a very very good and very successful Ugadi this year, and this is our first year and it's a big one. And in the coming years we'll definitely have a lot of celebrations and all the festivities.
Yeah, that's great. Thank you. The Kannada group in Adelaide have arranged this one, and they've taken all responsibility and got food, arranged the event, advertised it, everything. And I just spent last night helping them out to prep the food and just spending time with others. And today we are going to the event. Today was great fun. I had a lot of fun, and we took good pictures. We had great food. A lot of families turned up to the event, and now we are in need of an energy drink to reach home because we are that tired. And we'll continue this with a party later on. And yes, stay with me for the next video. I'll see you all very soon. Forgot to tell you that this was my outfit too for the day, and my friends helped me to put this on, the sari, and I enjoyed it.
Blah 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 blah.